What do you know about the right to protest? Can you tell which of these statements are facts and which are protest myths? Test your knowledge of one of the most powerful ways to have your voice heard. 1. You may need special permission to record, monitor, or observe a protest. Myth. Everyone has the right to be a citizen journalist and contribute to reporting on the protest. No prior training, permission, or notice needed. 2. Protest activities do not require prior authorization. Fact. Protesting is a right, not a privilege. Any protest can be held without getting permission. Spontaneous protests are just as valid and should be offered the same protection as large, organized assemblies. 3. The right to protest is enshrined in international law. Myth. There is no right to protest as such mentioned in international law, but it is guaranteed by other human rights, especially the rights to freedom of expression and peaceful assembly. Most protests are assemblies that express opinions or demands. 4. Violent actions of individuals means the entire protest should be put to an end. Myth. If violence breaks out during an otherwise peaceful protest, police have the duty to quell that instance as non-violently as possible and allow the protest to continue uninterrupted. Actions of individuals should not be used as an excuse to silence a movement. If you know your rights, you can defend them. If you learned something just now, you're a stronger defender. Have your voice heard. Defend your right to protest.